Hi, so today we're going to learn how to use AutoSum. We want to get the computation of all these numbers here in this spreadsheet. We want to get the total of all these numbers under region 1 here in column C, region 2, region 3, and we want to place those sums down here. Okay, here in C11 all the way to E11. Actually, all the way here to F11, okay, because we want to get the grand total right here in F11. Now we want to also get the totals of all these numbers here across, okay, or sideways by month. Okay, so for the we want to get the total of all those numbers in January, February, March, and so on. Okay, for all the different regions or across the different regions. So how do we start this? I'll place my cell pointer here in C11 where I want to get the total of all these numbers, okay, here in column C. So I'll place my cell pointer there. The quickest way for me to get the total here without writing or typing a formula is by hitting a button in the home tab called AutoSum right there. Okay, so I'll click that button. There, the formula is written for me. I don't have to compose it. It's the formula says equals sum C5 colon C10. Okay, what this does is simply to add all the numbers that are found in cells C5 until C10. Okay, all right, so I'll just press enter to get the total right there. There you go. Okay, so that's simple. You just place a cell pointer at the location, let's say just adjacent or at the bottom of the column you want to sum up. Okay, so in this case here in column D, I'll place my cell pointer in D11, and then I'll click the AutoSum button. There. Okay, I want to show you another way to use the AutoSum button. I'll select the numbers I want to sum up, which is here from E5 to E10, okay, here in column E, and then I'm gonna hit the AutoSum button right now, right there. There, see, you get the total just at the bottom of this column of numbers. So it's 1,981. Okay, so that's how to use the AutoSum button. Now let's try another way to use AutoSum, this time sideways. We want to get the totals across the different regions of per month. So here, let's start with January. For these figures, 56, 101, and 280, I'll place my cell pointer here in F5, and again, I'm going to hit the AutoSum button. There, exactly as like before. Okay, now I'm going to show you another technique, and this is by using a keyboard shortcut. So now my cell pointer's in F6, and now I will use a keyboard shortcut to get the total of all these numbers here for February. And all I need to do is, of course, place the cell pointer in the right location and hold the Alt key and press equals. There, Alt equals. You see, you get the same effect. I'll press enter. Okay. Now let's try that other technique, right? This time with Alt equals once again. First, I'm gonna select all the numbers I want to sum up, which is 80, 114, 260 for March, and then I will press Alt equals. Oh, we got 480. Okay. Now I can do the same actions again for all these other rows, April, May, and June. What if you have lots of months all the way to December? No, I don't. That's going to be too tedious, right? You're repeating the same actions. So I just want to say that you can use autofill over here. I'll just place my cell pointer here at 480, okay, F7, and you remember the autofill handle right there, the lower right corner of the cell pointer. I'm going to drag that down all the way here to F11 to get the totals for the other months. Okay, so autofill works with formulas as well. Okay, not just names like days or months or maybe a series of words with numbers. Okay, so autofill also works with formulas. Okay, so in the same way, I want to autofill this formula here in E11 and drag it to the right to get the grand total here at F11. So we have 3,418 for this. Okay, so again, if you want to get the total quickly, use AutoSum and the buttons right here. Okay, another way is by using a keyboard shortcut, Alt equals.